Hello everyone. Today we're going to compare wealthy affiliates SiteRubix and Shopify to help you decide which is better for building websites in 2024. Simply click the link in the description box to access both platforms. Let's dive in and explore each platform's features, advantages, and disadvantages. Let's start by looking at SiteRubix. SiteRubix is a website builder and hosting platform provided by Wealthy Affiliate. It allows you to create websites quickly and easily, with the added benefit of Wealthy Affiliates training and community support. The platform offers hosting with free SSL certificates and fast page load times. To sign up for SiteRubix, you'll need to become a member of Wealthy Affiliate. To create an account, you need to click on the top right option saying Sign In. Now you'll need to choose a domain name for your website. SiteRubix offers a free subdomain or the option to use a custom domain if you have one. Enter your preferred domain name to check its availability. In terms of pricing, SiteRubix includes a free starter plan, a premium plan for $49 per month, and a premium plus plan for $99 per month. The yearly plans are also provided. On the other hand, Shopify is a popular e-commerce platform that focuses on helping users build and manage online stores. It offers various features for selling products and managing orders, such as inventory tracking and payment processing. In terms of pricing, Shopify's monthly plans start with the basic plan at $25, the Shopify plan at $65, the advanced plan at $399, and the plan at $2,300. They also offer a 25% discount for yearly plans. If you're looking to create a general website and want a community-based experience, SiteRubix might be the better choice for you. If you're focused on building an online store and need robust e-commerce tools, Shopify would be a stronger option. Remember, you can try out both platforms using the links in the description below. Sign up for free today and start building your website. Thanks for watching.